Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be seeing if I can drill a hole through this 9-volt battery with a laser I've got. I'll put it there. The beam is on the battery. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. I don't think it's going to make it through. The battery's a bit too thick. The laser isn't that powerful. It's powerful, but it's not that powerful apparently. Let's see what it did. Whoa! It damaged the paint, but I think that's about it. That's all it did. It didn't go in very far. Maybe if I try it from the back end. It's melting. Something's melting. Ooh. Oh, I see little flames coming out. I see little flames coming out. That's interesting. You see the damage. It drilled a little bit of a hole, but no substantial damage. This laser apparently isn't very powerful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.